All right, so for example, let's take 9 over 3. Yeah, you actually can simplify this. So here's an easy way to put it. You know how you always divide it like in this kind of format? Yeah, all right, so the numerator goes inside the little rectangle, and then the 3 goes outside, so the numerator comes inside, the denominator goes outside, and you can divide 9 by 3 times, which means that this is actually 3. It's equivalent to 3. Another way that you can simplify it, you could cross out this and do that, because 3 goes into 9 3 times. And then 3 divided by 3 is 1. So 3 over 1 is 3. That's like another way to do it, but let's solve it this way first. There's also, working today, 12 over 4. 12 over 4. Can you simplify this or can you not simplify this? Yeah, so you can't simplify this because 4 is a factor of 12. Okay, do you know what the word factor means? A factor basically means that if you multiply 4 with another number, you could get 12. So like, because 4 times 3 is 12, 4 and 3, they're both factors of 12. 12, list out all the factors of 12. Basically, you can divide 12 with a number and it would result in a whole number. So I already gave you 3 and 4. Try to figure out the other ones. There are 4 other factors of 12. So because 4 is a factor of 12, that means that we can simplify this, so it's actually 3. How about 4 over 12? Do you think you can simplify this? 4 is a factor of 12, right? So you would have to divide each part of the fraction by 4. So what is 4 divided by 4? Yeah, it's 1. And then what about 12 divided by 4? Yeah. So 4 over 12 is equivalent to 1 over 3. And you can check this by multiplying 4 to each side. So what is 3 times 4?
12.
What about 1 times
4?
Yeah. So 1 of 12 and 4. 4 is a factor of 12, right? So 4 is a smaller number than 12. So you check if 4 is a factor of 12. But on this side, 4 over 12, the numerator is a smaller number, right? Because 4 is the smaller number. So you check if 4 is a factor of 12, which it is. This, all right, do you know what this is called? It's called an improper fraction. And this is called a mixed fraction. Because there's a
Mixed
whole
number?
Yeah, mixed number, because there's a whole number and a fraction, but I kind of wanted you to simplify it in the same improper fraction form. So so I'm gonna list out the factors of 18. There's 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. I don't think I missed any. For 4, there's 1, 2, and 4. So what are some common factors that they have? So 1, they both have 1. They also both have 2. So this is what we call, so then 2 is the biggest common factor that they have, and we call this the GCF. Do you know what that is? It's called the greatest common factor. Pretty quickly, so 18 divided by 4. 4 is not a factor of 18, and that's, you also know that, but then 2, they're both a factor of 4 and 18, so we can divide both sides of the fraction with 2. So 18, what's 18 divided by 2? 9. What about 4 divided by 2?
2.
Yeah, so you can simplify 18 over 4 with 9 over 2. And you can check this by multiplying 2 to both sides of the equation. Both sides of the fraction. So 2 times 2 is 4. 9 times 2 is 18. Therefore, 18 divided by 4 can be simplified down to 9 over 2. And this would be the most simplified form of 18 over 4.
Okay.
All right, 3 1/4. So in this equation, remember that I told you that all mixed numbers have to be converted into improper fractions? Yeah. So what do you get when you convert 3 1/4 into an improper fraction? Yeah, 13/4.
Okay.
And then 1/4 is an improper fraction, so we could just use that. Sorry, that's a 1. Um, and then we can multiply the numerators together, and then we can multiply the denominators together. So what's 13 times 1? 13, what's 4?
Okay, 16.
16, yeah. All right, so is 13 a factor of 16? Yeah, it's not. For 13, let's list out the common factors just in case they have a greatest common factor. For 13, there's only 1 and 13. For 16, there's, oh, actually, you got it. Never mind. Can you list out the factors?
6, 2, and 8.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Also, when you're, because it's 4 and 4, you only have to write 1. All right, so basically, if you see, like, if you compare the common factors, there's only 1, right? But
Yeah.
any number divided by 1, it's just itself. So basically, there's no need to simplify this because it's already in its simplest form.